Okay, sir. You are planning to contest these elections, Goa Assembly elections.
Yes.
Uh, which ticket?
That will be decided,
Hmm.
but my preference is BJP.
Okay. Why BJP?
Because if you have seen how they have developed the country over the last 6 years, 7 years, it's been incredible.
Okay.
Last time I got a lot of flack when I put this video of Modi, and I'm praising him and how he's changed the country and how our passport is now more powerful. All these things I got a lot of flack last time, but it's true. What can you sort by this earth?
Okay. You want to contest on BJP ticket, and that is in Calangute constituency.
Yes,
So,
ideally.
so what about the present MLA Minister Michael Lobo?
I'm sure you have the right to go and ask him what his plans are.
Hmm.
I have no say. He's a good friend of mine.
Okay. Recently, you also visited the Delhi BJP headquarters. Have you met any leader there?
I met most of the top leaders. Again, I would like them to give a statement rather than me giving a statement on that. The time will come.
Okay. Any signal has been given by BJP party to you?
A lot of signals.
Lot of signals.
Yes.
So why you want to contest the election? What are the reasons?
See, biggest irritation of mine is corruption. I'll give you a small example. Now, when you have a builder from Delhi come in, he bribes MLA, what do you call it, the PDA, TCB, punch members, NGOs. It is unending. Poor guy bribes. I'm saying poor guy because he is also a target. Now, rather than giving that money to these politicians and officials, I would rather give one free apartment directly to each family of Calangute. That is my thing. ह्यो पयसो हेंचो न्हू MLAचो न्हू हेचो पंच मेंबराचो न्हू सरपंचाचो न्हू ह्यो पयसो लोकांचो ह्यो पयसो लोकांचो कित्याक लोकांक त्रास जाता लोकांक सावंड पोल्युशन जाता लोकांक डस्ट पोल्युशन जाता लोकांक उदीक उणें मेळता लोकांक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कमी मेळता लोकांक खूब त्रास जाता आनी लोक सोंसता मात लोकांक कित्याक सोंसूंक जाय आपलो गांव तो लोकांचो लोकांक सोंसपाची गरज ना सोंसल्यार कितें तरी हें फारीकपण मेळोंक जाय तांकां सो ताका लागून हांव म्हणटा हें अपार्टमेंट हे तुमीन एका फॅमिलीक दिवंक जाय
It is possible to give?
कोंत केला हांवें इट इज पॉसिबल तुमी कोंत करूंक शकता कशें कोंत करा तुमच्या MLAशीन कितले पयशे आहा पळय ते कोंत करा आनी मागीर कितले घरां सोडपाचे पळय ते पळोवया MLAच न्हू सरपंच पंच मेंबर्स BDO PDA TCB सगळ्यांचे कोंत करा आनी कितले घरां बांदल्या पळय ते पळोवया आनी हें करा
So one more thing, we have seen in the business of a club and all. So what about the Mambos and Tito? The deal is still on or already sold
The
out?
deal is still on. 65% will go to the new owners. They are hardcore businessmen, very clean, good guys. I feel sad that I had to let go, but in the interest of Goa, because I love Goa so much, I want to change Goa. Yet I don't want to be a target.
So that's why you are selling the business.
Yes.
Okay. You are targeted by whom?
By the whole officialdom. So many of them. And you know, as I said in the last time, it's the straw that breaks the camel's back. So we have exited 50%, then another 15%. All this is so that we can release money and be secure in our life and not have to think, okay, somebody's going to shut down our business, somebody's going to do something else.
Now that the club are all already open, now who is running now?
It has always been under management, total management. We are completely computerized. We don't have any black money. And if you're not computerized, then other elements will rob you. So it's better to let the government take its two pieces of silver, and we get whatever is our due.
Now you are managing or somebody else?
At present, they want me to take care of it, so I am managing, and since I am partners in that minority, I will be there with them for the long term.
Okay. So you are not leaving Goa. Some are saying that you are going to leave the Goa and going to settle abroad.
That is a good question. Time will tell. I want to change Goa before I leave.
Okay.
So my family lives abroad. Eventually, I will have to join them. I'm making a big sacrifice now, and it's up to the people now to decide whether they want what I'm offering, which is clean governance, one free apartment to each and every family.
So one side you are criticizing the administration which is run by the BJP government only. Now one side you are saying you want to clean the government and you want to be want to contest on BJP ticket. These both things are not contradicting.
It is not contradictory. See, within any system, there are elements who are not conducive to the system. So we in the BJP know there are elements. We know we have to get better and we have to get, and it's a constant battle. We're always trying to be better and make things easier. If you've noticed over the last few years, things have become much, much easier. Everything has gone online. Today, even if I want to expose, like I'll give you an example. The policeman, Rapos, he was coming and shutting down all businesses there. Now, if we go according to the rules, Titos is the only place that has indoor clubs, soundproof. There's no one else besides us and maybe LPK. They have soundproof clubs. Aside of that, there is no one else. So, what are we asking for? We're asking for a level playing field. We're not asking for extra special service or anything. This is what people need to understand. We work within the law. We are fully computerized. We pay all our taxes. We pay our GST. We pay our staff with benefits, etc. No one else is doing this. Very few are doing it. I won't say no one else is doing it.
So my last question is that now you know that you want to contest from Calangute constituency that is also on the BJP ticket, and now the president MLA and is the minister Michael Lobo is there. If suppose tomorrow party denies ticket to you and it gives to Lobo, then what will be your plan? You are going to contest independent or you are going to contest any other political party?
See, the party is always my first choice. Even if I did contest independent, later on, I will win and I will back the party.
Sir, you will back the party. Will back the party
Even
candidate.
after I win.
Even
Even if I sit independent, I will still back the party out.
no. What I am saying, if they give ticket to Michael Lobo, who is present MLA, no doubt.
No problem. I will still sit, contest the elections, and then later back the party.
Okay, that independent you are going to contest. Anyhow, that means
Yeah.
anyhow you are going to contest.
Because I want to change the system.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.